Anchor is normally open. Guys Picking Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse is normally open on the first day up until 3 o'clock. And we're back over to the other side. There's our friend Derrick. Hey, Derrick. He ain't listening.
Hey, how you doing?
So, it's spring break, too many kids. Okay, when I was a kid, I got to do one thing, shut up.
All right, now we're gonna say hey. So I'm here with comedian Derrick Eason. Say hey.
Hey, what's happening? What's so funny?
I'm tickled at the people that I get to meet on the ship because I just enjoy this life and I get to meet cool people like you.
Yeah, I get to meet cool people. But no, she's dope. She cruises 7 seas, just be floating around laughing.
Just floating around laughing.
Floating around laughing.
So tell us a quick joke.
2 Jews walk into a bar. They buy it.
That one takes a minute to sink in. It's not my fault.
How you gonna ask me to work? I'm sitting here laughing, enjoying. You want me to work now?
I'm gonna go see him tonight, though. He better be funny. I didn't see him. I didn't see him last night because I wasn't
Good
feeling
thing I
good.
ain't a dentist. I done pulled a tooth out your head by now.
Wow. Yeah, it's a really good thing you're not a dentist.
Messing up that smile.
Where you going to next? Where the people gonna find you?
All right, so I leave tomorrow. Tomorrow is okay. So today we were supposed to be in Amber Cove. We didn't make it. That's messed up. Tomorrow we're gonna be in San Juan. If we don't make it, it's gonna really mess it up because I'm leaving.
Oh, you fly out of San
I
Juan.
fly out of San Juan. I'm going to Miami.
And if we don't get to San Juan, then you're stuck on the ship with us and you get to do another show?
That could be a problem. They might have to pay me more money.
It's called overtime.
They're gonna have to pay me more money.
Ain't no doubt about it.
No doubt about it. But no, by tomorrow, well, next day I'll be on Horizon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly to Grand Cayman and meet the Horizon.
Okay.
Do a few nights there, and then go home, pay some bills, and then go to another show.
All right. So if you're on Horizon, the first week of April, is it?
Yeah.
First week of April. I'll put this out early, so.
And I get on the.
Make sure you go see Derrick.
Well, I get on the Magic a lot. Listen, find me. I am Derrick Eason. That's my social media. I am Derrick Eason.
Okay. So you're on Instagram and all that good stuff?
Well,
Okay.
not all the good stuff. Instagram. I'm on Facebook. Do some YouTube. I don't mess with X. I ain't ticking-tocking. I don't ticky-tock with whatever these, no.
No ticky-tocking.
Ticky-tock.
All right, y'all go. I don't work here, I just do YouTube.
Right,
Oh wait, I started Facebook, so.
Facebook is phasing out too, but I do some Instagram. I'm sorry, I do the gram,
Okay, so he got some on me because I don't even do that.
do the Instagram. That's the gram.
All right, y'all make sure y'all check him out. Give him some
I'm
love.
on the book. I'm in the book.
Show him some support. Let us know if he's funny or not. He better be funny.
It's meta now.
If we go over there,
I'm
you
a meta
better
man.
be funny.
I'm a meta man.
A meta man. Oh,
That's
okay.
the meta. That's the new Facebook. You better get hip to the times, baby.
I knew it was called meta.
Oh.
I just never heard nobody call themselves a meta man.
I'm a meta man.
I always
Sound
get
like a
myself
superhero,
in
don't
these
it?
situations. It is. It is a superhero.
Dope.
Yeah.
Can we just smile now?
It has to be organic.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Like that.
Oh, I'm in.
We both got work to do. I got a ship to film, and you got a show to prep for.
Correct. Love, peace, and hair grease.
Bye.